So this is they're cleaning the pig. You know, this river is no house there and top. So the water here, it's clean from the mountain. And here's my brother, and the two of them is my brother-in-law. You know, here it's different. People here is very helpful. And unlike in the city, if you were in the city, if you let something like this work, you have to pay the people to process and kill the pig and process. But here, no. You don't have to, because they are gonna help you for free only. This is the people here. That's my mother's neighbors. She's 90 years old, but still strong. So for now, they are still cleaning with the skin. They make sure to no hair left, and all the skin is clean before they open the body and take off the intestine. Doon eh mo. Hilaw pa man. So my brother, he found the You find the trees here in the river. I think this is came from somewhere when is the water's hard. It's through here, and he's gonna use that as a firewood. So he's cutting it so he can bring it pieces to his house. Alright, so that's somebody's carabao, trying to put carabao on the grass so they can eat. And there's kids watching us here too. But you know guys, it's life here, it's difficult and you have to work hard so you can have to eat, and using for eating everything here. You have to one by one and manually use to your hand so you can do anything as for living to stay alive in here. But if you were grown like this, it's easy for you. It's easy. But if you grown like very easy life, and if you're living like this life, well, it's not gonna be easy because you don't know how. You don't know how to be difficult like this life. Alright, so it's cut. Bugat. Ha? Ara? So he's gonna bring that to his house there, somewhere there. And he's gonna come back to bring this one pieces left. You know, it's just got rain yesterday, so all the water is still not clear because of the strong rain yesterday. Now, you got it. He is hard working. His wife's working in Manila, and he is the one who taking care of his child here and also working in the farm. So it's your daughter's right there. Yeah, she's getting a shower and get the shower from the wheel. Or get the water there. Berato pa?
Yang ini lupa 5 kilo.